So students, let us understand sets of 10th class. Okay, set theory. Let us understand. Suppose in your class there are 25 girls and 20 boys. We'll say this is set of 25 girls and set of list. This is a set of 20 boys. Total class strength is 45. So set, you write, list down all the names of the girls. Then this becomes set of girls. This becomes set of boys. Set means what? Grouping. You are grouping certain category. Let us say in the same category, in your classroom, let us say some people play cricket, some people play football, some people play chess, some people. So this is a collection of groups. Those people who play cricket is one set, football is one set. Like that, we can have different sets. Okay, so this way we define groups into sets. Always set is represented by capital letters A, B, C. This is set. Set contains elements. Let us say a set A contains natural numbers up to 10. What are natural numbers? Starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the natural numbers of set up to 10. These are called elements. These are called elements. This is set. So this is set A consists of up to natural numbers up to 10. Before going to defining sets, let us understand some concepts. So when I say natural number, it starts from where? It starts from 1, 2, 3, like that it goes up to infinity. Natural numbers do not contain 0. It do not contain quotients 2, 1.5, 3, 1.5, like that. It won't contain quotients. These are all natural numbers are positive integers starting from 1. So this set we define as n. Is it a finite set or infinite set? There are infinite numbers. So this is called infinite set. Infinite set. Right? Set. Now here see natural numbers of odd numbers. Natural numbers are odd natural numbers. Odd 1, 3, 5, 7. This also goes up to infinity. This is also an infinite set. Elements can be infinite. This is also an infinite set, but odd natural numbers. Then we know even natural numbers. 10 like that. This is even natural numbers. Okay. This is natural numbers, odd, even natural numbers. When I say set of whole numbers, double, it starts with 0. It goes up to infinity. So 0 is included in whole numbers. When I say set of integers, it starts from minus infinity, minus 10, minus 9, 0, 1, 2, plus infinity. This is also infinite set, but it's from minus infinity to plus infinity. Suppose I want a set of integers between minus 5 and plus 5. I want set of integers between minus 5 and plus 5. So minus 5 less than x, less than plus 5. So minus 5 equal, it's not equal, less than. So it comes minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Integers includes 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the set of integers between minus 5 is less than x, less than plus 5. So x is greater than minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. minus 4, minus 3. So minus 6, minus 7 will not come because it should be in between minus 5 and plus 5. Includes 0. Includes your integer is including 0. So like that we understand set of natural, set of integers, set of whole numbers. Now let us understand prime numbers. We are going to set, we'll write prime numbers. Most of the problems are linked with prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Up to 10. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Up to 10 are the prime numbers. From 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19. From 20 to 30, 23, 29. 21 is divided by 3. 27 is divided by 3. So 29. 23, 29. From 30 to 40, 31, 37, 30 to 40. Now 40 to 50, 31, 43, 47. Because 49 is divisible by 7. Let us see here. These are the prime numbers up to 50. Prime numbers up to 50. Now let us see. We remember this, what I am writing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 21 to 30. Is it visible? No, I'll go up again. I'm just deriving how to get prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. 11, 12, 13, 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Now we are finding out prime numbers here. What are we finding out? Prime numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. 4, 6, 8, all are divisible by 2. So 2 is the prime number. 1 is not a prime number. These are one is factor of everything. So 2 is a prime number. So all even numbers are non-prime. Or non-prime. Okay. Now to what you are getting here? 19, 29, 39, 49. So now we are having only odd numbers. 15, 17, 25, 27, 33, 35, 37, 43, 45, 47. Only odd numbers are left over. Now let us see. Next prime number is 3. What are divisible by 3? 9 is divisible by 3. 15 divisible by 3. 21 divisible by 3. 27 divisible by 3. 33, 39, 45. These are all divisible by 3. So they are not prime numbers. Now let us go. Next prime number is 5. What are divisible by 5? 25 is divisible by 5. 35 is divisible by 5. So 5 is prime number and all 5s gets cancelled. They are all having a minimum factor of 5. Now come to 7. 7 is a prime number. So 7, 21 already. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35 already gone. 7 7s are 49. So 49 is not prime number. 7 7s are 49. From 11 onwards, 11 7s are 77. 11 7s are is going beyond 50. So forget about. So these are my prime numbers. These are my prime numbers. So rest will go beyond. So 11 3s are 33, which is factor of 3. 11 5s are 55, which is factor of 5. 11 5s are 77, which is factor of 7. It's already deleted. 11 2s are 22, already deleted. So everything is going beyond 50 now. So less than 50, these are the prime numbers. I'll write down here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. These are the prime numbers. Most of our lessons will include prime numbers. So that's why we should by heart these prime numbers up to at least 50. But beyond 50, you have to try with this. Suppose I want to try 50 to 70. 50 to 70. So 11 sevens are what? 11 sevens are 77. So I can find out from this. I can find out from 11 5s are 55 is not a prime number. 3s are not a prime number. 11 2s are 22 is not a prime number. 11 sevens are 77 is not a prime number. So accordingly, we will get other numbers. 53, 59, 61, 67, like that will be getting. It is not a factor of anything. 13 5s are 65, 13 6s are 78, 13 7s are 91. It goes beyond 70. So like that we can calculate the prime numbers. Now, set should be a well-defined set. Well-defined set. Suppose if I say A is a natural number less than 10. A is a natural number. X belongs to such that is a natural number less than 10. That means what? 1, 2, up to 9. 10 is equal to 10, so 10 will not come here, only up to 9. 0 will not come because 0 is not a natural number. If I say your whole number less than 10, then 0 will come. If I say natural number, 0 will not come. It is a well-defined set. Even a person in America also writes this, person in other place also writes same set. When I say natural number less than 10 is well-defined set. Suppose if I say X such that X is 10 best cricketers. 10 best cricketers. For Indian people may write Tendulkar, Ganguly, Gavaskar, some Lloyds, some people. But some other person may write some other 10. England team may write some other 10. So this is not a well-defined set. This varies with person to person. So this is not called set. This is not called set because this is a vague term. It is a vague term. Which is defined. Whomsoever writes the same thing is called set. Now, set can be represented in two forms. One is roster form. Roster form. Suppose in your flat, in your family, there are 4 members. Say set of family. I read father, mother, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother. You can write names also. Father's name, more specific. This is again, each person it may vary. Each person it may vary. You can write fixed number is a set of family. Or you can say, we are talking of roster form of representing set. Set of prime numbers up to 10. 2, 3, 5, 7 is set of prime numbers up to 10. Very clear? This is a roster form. We write the elements. Now, there is another form of writing set. That is set builder form. Set builder form. How we write? Same set. Set of is write like this. Is equal to x. Is equal to x. And we define x is natural. Is a no natural. X is a prime number less than 10. What I'm writing here? X is element X such that I can put two dots here, or I can put slash also. Both are correct. X. X, how is X is defined? X is a prime number less than 10. So X can be 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is a roster form. This is set builder form. So this is theory part. This is what we call theory part. Suppose I have to write a set of F equal to even numbers, right? Even numbers. Roster form, is it possible to write even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. I have to represent up to infinity. I have to write, in fact, all the numbers, which is not possible. So what I write here is X such that X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number. I'll write correctly English here. Even. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. I'll put brackets close. So this is a theory form where we can represent large data. This is a mathematical form, elemental form, where we represent small data. Okay, these are the two forms, set builder form and roster form. So now we'll do exercise 1 based on what we have understood. Okay, we'll do textbook exercise 1. See, this is 2 point. What is written first here? Which of the following are sets justify? The collection of all months of an year beginning with letter J. Beginning with letter J, we have January, June, July. So everyone writes same 3 months. So this is a defined set. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This is a vague term. I will write writers known to me, someone writes some other writers. So this is not a set. This is a very defined set. It is not a well-defined set. A team of 10 best cricket 11 best cricket batsmen. Also not a defined set. Each one will write his own 10 cricket best bats. It is not well defined. Collection of all boys in your class. This is a well-defined test. Your class is having certain number of boys. Their names are fixed. So it's a well-defined set. This is a set. The collection of all even integers. Even though it is an infinite set, but it is a set. 2, 4, 6. Everyone writes. There is no ambiguity here. It's very clear. So now let us see second one. Set A consists of so many elements. Set B, so many elements. Now we'll see this is belongs to, does not belongs to. Let us see the board. When set A I am defining as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So element 1 belongs to A or not? Element 1, yes, it is belongs to A. We will bet this is a symptom. This is a symbol, belongs to. Suppose now 5. Is it belongs to A or not? Yes, belongs to A. Now I put 10. Whether 10 belongs to A? No, it is not. 10 is not there. So it does not belong. It does not belong. Similarly, 15 does not belong to A. So this symbol, E with center line, is belongs to. E with center line with the cross is does not belong to. So we'll go back to our exercise. So we'll write here 0 belongs to A or not? Yes, it belongs to A. 3 belongs to C? No. 4 belongs to B? No. 8 belongs to A? No. P belongs to C? Yes. P is equal belongs to C. 7 belongs to B? Yes. 7 belongs to B. So now we see the other one. You have to write the same thing in the board. X does not belong to A. What do you mean by X does not belong to A? This is X does not belong to A. You have to write like that. But the second one, D is an element of the set B. So D belongs to B. Okay, You should not write A belongs to E. No, A may contain many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. A may contain many numbers, but 3 belongs to A. X, this is X. X belongs to A. X also. Okay, X belongs to A. So we'll move further. 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers P. Okay, we can easily 8 does not belong to P. Now let us see the fourth one. Is 5 does not belong to prime number. True or false? Prime 5 is a prime number. It belongs to prime number. So this is false. The statement is false. It should be belongs to. Now, yes, is 5, 6, 7 implies that 8 belongs to S. It is false. It is false. Now minus 5 belongs to whole numbers. Whole number starts with 0. Minus 5 is an integer. So it does not belong. Now 8 by 11 belongs to Z. It's also false because 8 by 11 is, now you see here, minus 5 does not belong to whole number. This is true. The statement is true because minus 5 is not belonging to whole number. That is true. So this statement is true. 8 by 11 belongs to Z. 8 by 11 is a fraction, is a rational number. Z is an integer. So this is false. This is false. So out of this, what are truths? This is true. 5 belongs to prime number. This is false. This is also false. This is true. This one is true. This is false. Okay. We write here builder form, Roster form and builder form. X belongs to a natural number less than 6. That means what? In Roster form, when we convert this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will come only up to 5. 6 will not come because it is less than 6. It is not less than or equal to 6. If I write here less than or equal to 6, then 6 also will appear. If it is less than 6, it is 5. Up to 5 only it will appear. Let us see the board. A is set X such that X is a natural number less than 6. Okay. Now we are writing elemental form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Suppose if the A is defined as X such that X is a whole number less than or equal to 6. I have changed the building form. X is a natural number less than 6. Now what I am writing? X is a whole number less than or equal to 6. Then I define as 0. Whole number is start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. Because equal to. Here equal to. Suppose if I write X such that X is a integer. X is an integer less than 6. What I am writing? X is an integer less than 6. So I'll write A as minus infinity, minus 10, minus 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 I will write. Less than 5, integer means negative also is included. So it will go up to minus 5. It is an infinite set. It is an infinite set. Okay. So depending on the roster, we have to write the, depending on the set building, we have to write the roster form. You have to understand what is awesome. So we go back. Our test. So what is this one? X is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. Let us see. Set A is X such that X is a natural number 2-digit natural number such that sum of the digits is 8. Sum of the digits is 8. Now let us understand. So it can be, let us start with natural number means you start with 1. So 17, 1 plus 7, 8. So I can write 71 also. 71 is also 71 plus 1, 8. Now 2, 6, 26, 2 plus 6, 8 is a 2-digit number. I am writing 2-digit numbers. 2 plus 6, 8, also 62. This is also 8. Now 3, 5 and 5, 3. Now I write 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 48, 44. This is a natural number, 44. Now one more number is 808. What is the sum of digits? 8 plus 0, 8. And what is this natural number? 80. So these are the elements of this set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 elements. N of A is 8 elements. Understood? So I have to write 2-digit natural number. If I write 2-digit whole number, suppose if I write 2-digit whole number, then what I will get? Then I will get 08. But if 08 cannot be written, still also it is same only. Still also it is same answer only. 08 becomes 1-digit number. It's not a 2-digit number. Now let us see the last one. E is the set of all letters in the word better. So we have to write one time only. B, E, T, R. The set, the elements are B, E, T, R. 4 elements. Now we go to set. Write the following sets in set builder form. We have to write this in set builder form. What is given? 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Okay, we will write this. X A is X such that, right, 3, 6, 9, 12. So I am writing A is defined as 3x. A is defined as 3x such that x is a natural number less than 13. Less than 5. So because 3 5s are 15. Less than 5 means 4. What natural number less than 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I substitute x is 1, 3 I will get. Substitute 2, 6 I will get. Substitute 3, I will get 9. Substitute 4, otherwise what we have to write? This is one way. Another way is to write this is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3. First 4 multiples of 3. And write this as x is first 4 multiples of 3. What are 4 multiples of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. These are the first 4 multiples of 3. This can be written like that also. Written like this, it can be written like this also. Both. Okay? But let us see what he has written. Answer 6, 1. Lesson is 2.161. We'll see the answer, what he has written. 2.1. This is 2.2. Okay, I'm writing set build-up form. So x is a multiple of 3 and less than 13. So this is some other way. First 4 multiples of 3, that's what we have written, or it can be written as x is a multiple of 3 and less than 7. It has to be less than 13. So what are the multiples of 3 less than 13? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Like that. Second one is x is in power of 2 to the power of x and x is less than 6. We'll go back to our lesson 2.1. This is 2 point. So what is this here given? 2, 4, 8, 6. These are 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of x and x is less than 5. Because 2 is 6. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So it does not include that up to 2 to the power of 5. Here also 1, 4, 9, 25. Here also 1, 4, 9, 16 also will come. This is x square, where x is a natural number up to less than 11. Less than 11. So x square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 16 also will come. 4 square, 5 square, like that 10 square. So like that we have to write. This is what write in roster form. Let us say x is an integer where x square is equal to 4. Let us say x is an integer where x square is equal to 4. That means what are the elements of this? Either minus 2 or plus 2. Minus 2 or plus 2. Both will satisfy this equation. X is a letter in the word loyal. So L-O-Y-A is the roster form. So match the roster form with set builder form. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. So that means 2, 3. 2 is a divisor of 6, 3 is a divisor of 6, and this is 2, 3 is prime number. X is odd natural number less than 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd natural number less than 10. So B and 4 are matching. Natural number and divisor of 6. Natural number and divisor of 6. This is a natural number and divisor. 1, 2, 3, 6. All are factors of 6. This is a natural number. This is prime number. There are difference. So 1 is not prime number. 6 is not prime number. So that is why this is not matching with divisor of 6. So only prime numbers are matching with divisor. So that is 2. These are the letters. Without repetition, it is written. Okay. Now we'll say you see the number of elements. It is a number of elements. Suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number of set elements here? How many numbers are there in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. What is number of B? This is B. B is also 5. So the number of elements we write as NA is 5, NB is 5. We write the number of elements in the set. We define it as N of set. N of set. So we'll see the exercise 2.2 also. Set whether sets are empty or not. What is an empty set? Empty set means there is no number inside. There is no number inside it. Suppose what is empty set? 5. Empty set is 5. How we define 5? No element. There is no element inside the set. For example, A is X such that X is a prime number, even prime number more than 2. Right? X is an even prime number more than 2. What is prime number? 2 is prime number. But more than 2 is any prime number is there? Even prime number? No. All are odd only. 4, 6, or even are all factors of 2. So there is no prime number. So this is a phi set. Null set. There is no element it satisfies with set builder form. So let's set of straight lines passing through a point. Through a point, infinite lines can pass through a point. If this is a point, I can send infinite lines to this point. So this is infinite set. What is this called? Infinite set. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Is there any odd natural number divisible by 2? No. 1, 3, 5. They are not divisible by 2. This is a phi set. This is a phi set, null set. X is a natural number between x is less than 5 and more than 7. What is x? Less than 5, more than 7. That means what? We'll see this. X is a natural number x such that x is less than 5 and more than 7 is a natural number. So what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5 satisfied, more than 7, 8, 9, like that. It goes up to infinity. It goes up to infinite set. Is it infinite set? No, set of even prime numbers. How many there? How many even prime numbers are there? Only 2. 2 is even prime number. 4, 6, all are not prime number. So this is having only one element, that is 2. Now, which are the following finite or infinite? Set of months in a year is a finite. 1 to 100 is a finite set. Set of prime numbers less than 99 is also finite set. If set of prime numbers is given without this condition less than 99, then it is infinite set. Since it is given less than 99, the number of elements are fixed. No, state whether each of the following set are finite or infinite. Set of letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters, so definitely it is finite set. Lines parallel to x-axis, infinite lines can be drawn parallel to x-axis, so it is infinite set. Set of numbers which are multiples of 5, infinite set. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like that. It go up to infinity. Set of circle passing through origin 0, 0. What is this? Set of circles passing through 0, 0. Suppose this is origin. Now this is the circle passing through 0, 0. Now there is another circle also passing through 0, 0. Another circle also passing through 0, 0. So like that, I can have infinite circles which can pass through 0, 0. So that is infinite set. That's an infinite set. Okay. Now subset rule set will continue. Hello students. Let us understand further the sets. Now equal sets. You are understanding? Equal sets. When set A is equal to set B, if all elements of both are same. If all elements of both are same, suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is 4, 2, 1, 3. Sequence is not important, but if all elements are same, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so all elements are same, then we can say that set A is equal to set B. Then we'll see subsets, and we'll see subset. Suppose a set A is 1 to 10 and set B is 4 to 10. All elements of subset B also there in A, and all elements of subset 1 to 3, they are not in B. So A is smaller than, B is smaller than A, and all elements of B are part of A. That means B is less than A. Instead of less than, what we write as U, horizontal U, subset. B is a subset of A. It is like this. If you see the Venn diagram, this is A, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is A, and this is B. B contains 4 to 10. A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All. So B is a subset of A. It is a part. B is included in A. When I say A, B is already included. So B is a subset of A. Or we'll write it as A is greater than B. That means A is a superset of B. That means A also contains B, and B is a part of A. So this is the subset concept. Now in the same subset, suppose A is there 1 to 10. Here even 5 is also subset of A. 5 is also subset of A, and also A is also subset of A, because all elements of A are included in A. So A is also subset of A, 5 is also subset of A. If you see an example, three elements of A, B, C. Now I want to write all the subsets of A. And I'm mentioning all the subsets of A. One is the null set, 5 set, another is A, B, C, A comma B, A comma C, B comma C, and A, B, C. So A is also subset of A, 5 is also subset of A, and each element individually are subset, and the combination of elements are also subset of A. So for a 3 element set, how many subsets I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets. 8 subsets I am having for a 3 element in the combination. I can write BA, BA has already come here. CA, CA also has come here. BC, CB, all have come here. Because the order is not important, the elements are important. Now let us understand union of set. Let us understand union of set. Sets. Suppose that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6. Okay, 5, 6. And B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the set A, contains 1 to 6, and set B contains 3 to 10, all natural numbers. Now I want to write A union B. A union B is all elements together, all elements. So I'll write all elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I write 3, 3 is already written, 4 is written, 5 is written, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did not repeat this. I did not repeat already given, which is already taken. So 1 to 10 is my set A union B. What is A intersection B? Intersection means the elements which are in both. What are the elements common in both? Is 1 here, 1 is here? No. 2 is not here. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are here. Again 7, 8, 9, 10 are in this, but they are not in this. So only these items are common in both. So I'll write 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let us see. What is NA? Number of elements in A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is number of elements in B? 8. What is number of elements in A union B? 10. What is number of elements in A intersection B? 4. Now if I add NA plus NB, NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. If I add this, if you see, NA is 6, NB is 8, intersection B is 4, A union B is 10. So 6 plus 8, 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. Why I have to reduce it minus? Because in NA also I have added this 4, and B also added this 4. So when I'm adding this 2 times. When I'm doing NA plus NB, I'm adding these 2 times. But A union B, it will count only 1 time. So the A intersection, which is common items, which is added extra, is reduced. So we'll get 10. So this is the formula. NA in B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Let us see one more example. Same thing I am representing in Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, A, B. Now written A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is B? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 3, 4, 5, 6 is common in both. Up to this point A, up to this point B. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is common in A and common in B. This portion is called A intersection B is equal to which are common. What is NA? NA, what is containing A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. What is NB? 8. What is NA union B? Both together. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 elements. So when I am adding NA plus NB, what is happening? Here NA is 6, NB is 8. So when adding NA plus NB, it is becoming 14. That means this item is added 2 times. So which I am reducing minus 4, that is 10, that is NA union B. Okay? Now we'll see again. So this is A, this is B, any set. A union B means both together. We are adding. Union means adding. Union means adding. We are adding. What is an A intersection B? What is common in both? This is A intersection B. This whole thing is A union B. So almost A union B is all is greater than A intersection B. Okay? Now you see here. Suppose set element A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is NA? 4. What is NB? Number of elements in B? 4. Then A union B. And I'm writing A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. So when A intersection B, what are the common elements in these two? Nothing. There is no common. When it is up to 4, is 5 onwards. So there is no, it is 0. So again, when I use formula, NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, that is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 0, 8. So when A intersection B is not there, then it is a 5 set A intersection B. That means I have to simply NA plus NB. If A intersection B is there, I have to reduce it. Okay? I have to reduce it. Now let us see. This is A, this is B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 5, 6, 7, 8. They are disjoint sets. There is no joint in between. There is no common element in between. They are disjoint sets. Set A, set B. So when I say union, both will get A plus B. Now what is intersection? Is a 5 set. There is no element in the intersection. In earlier case, what we have seen? This is set A, this is set B. We have 3, 4, 5, 6 common elements. So this is a joint set. This is a joint sets. There is a overlapping between these two. Some elements are common in both A and B. So it's a joint set. This is a disjoint set. Okay? Now we'll see. Now, set A is equal to 1 to 10. Set B is equal to 4 to 8. Now, I want to define what is A minus B. What is A minus B? What is A minus B? A minus B means element in A but not in B. X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. So 1 belongs to A, but is it belongs to B? No. So it is selected. 2, 3. 4 belongs to both. So it is in B. Whatever B is there, it should not come. It is minus B. It is minus B. And what should be A? So 4, 9, 10. This is A minus B. Now let us say B minus A. That means whatever is in B should not be in A, those items. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. So 9, 10 is only 9, 10. So B is 4 to 8. Sorry. B is 4 to 8. A is, so all are there in A. B is almost a subset of A. So B minus A is a 5 set. B minus A is a 5 set because all elements are in A. Understood? So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now, since B is a subset of A, now let us write what is A union B here? A union B is both together. So 1 to 10. What is A intersection B? Is what is common in both? Common is 4 to 8. That means what? A union B is A itself. A union B is A itself. 1 to 10 is A. A intersection B is B itself. That means what is happening here? When I am writing a set, this is A, and when B is a subset of A union B is A itself, and A intersection B is B itself. So same thing is projected here. This is a diagram. This is projected. Okay. So A union B when B is subset, and B is a subset of A union B is A intersection B is B. Now let us understand one more concept. This is A, this is B. Say A is 1 to 10, B is 5 to 10. So here in between it will come 5 to 10 will come here. That is a common items. 5 to 15, let us say. So 5 to 10 will come here. Outside 10 to 15, 1 to 5. I'll write it again. This is A, this is B. This is 1 to 5. This is 10 to 15. This is 6 to 10. common. So this is A, this is B. So what is A union B? Is 1 to 15. 1 to 15. Now what is A dash? Now we are understanding what is A dash. What is A dash? A dash means what? A dash means which is not in A. Which is there in universal set but not in A. We can say up to 10 is A. So A dash is 11 to 15. A dash is 11 to 15. Not of A. A dash means not of A. What is B dash? B dash is 1 to 5. A dash is, this is up to A. So what is not in A is A dash. That is 11 to 15. B dash means what is not in B. So up to this is, so it's a 1 to 5. So this is how A dash and B dash are defined. Let us understand. This is person speak Telugu. This is person speak English. This person speak both. And we have other people who speak Hindi and other things, maybe 10 persons who speak Hindi and other languages. Telugu 20, English 20, and common 10. So let's understand this. Telugu speaking 20 persons plus 10 persons. So set A Telugu is 30, and A is 30. Rather NT, let us say this Telugu NT. N of English 20 plus 10, 30. N of total, this universal set. This total is universal set. What is N of total? 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20. So 50 plus 10, 60. Now let us define what is T dash. T dash means other than T. So this 10 also belongs to T. So from here 20 plus 10, 30. T dash is other than T. Not only here, this is also other than T. This portion also is other than T. So what is E dash? Other than E up to this point. Other than E. That is 20 plus 10. This is also 30. Okay. Now what is T union E? T union E. How many persons speak both Telugu and English? Anything. It not be both. It can either Telugu or English. So 20 plus 10 plus 20, 50. So then what is T union E dash? Those people who do not speak either Telugu or English. That is nothing but this dash means other than this 10. N. Okay, understood? When I say T dash means other than T. Just forget about T. This is T dash. Including this is also not there. This is T dash. Okay. Now we say E dash. Remove this. This is E dash. Okay. We'll see some examples from your textbook and understand these concepts in a more depth. Okay. Let us see exercise 2.4. What is asking first one? State which of the following statements are true. A is given. So 2 belongs to A, correct. 2 belongs to this, correct. A is a subset of A, correct. And 2, 3, 4 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Let us say this one. State reason for the following. He says they are not equal. Why they are not equal? A set of natural numbers 1 to 10. X belongs to N such that X is in between 1 to 10. You see here, the X is from 2 to 9. When it is 1 is less than means it is not included. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. 10 also is not included. So this is 2 to 9. This is 1 to 10. So they are not equal. So that is the reason. Now this one. Here all even numbers up to 10. Here what is giving? 2n plus 1 is odd number. If you put n1, it becomes 3. Whenever we want to represent odd number, we write 2n plus 1. So n1 means 3, n0 means 1, n3 means 7, n4 means 9. Like that, all odd numbers. So it belongs to natural number. This is an infinite set. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that, it will go up to infinity. That is why they are not. This is a finite set and it's only even numbers. Now you see again here, they are not equal. Is a multiple of 15. What is multiple of 15? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. All 15 tables are multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45 like that. But here 5 is there. 5 is there, which is not a multiple of 15. So they are not equal. Plus this is a finite set, 4 numbers. This is an infinite set. 15 multiples can go up to infinity. So that way they are not equal. What's the other one? X is a prime number. So is 9 prime number? No. Plus this is a finite set, 5 elements. Prime number is infinite set. So they are not equal. So here are 2 reasons. One reason is 9 is not a prime number. And this is a finite set. This element, this set contains many number of prime numbers. 11, 13, 19, 21, 23. Like that goes on up to infinity. Now these subsets we have seen. Let us see D, A, B, C, D. We have to write subsets of D, A, B, C, D. Let us see. D, A, B, C, D. I am writing subsets. First is 5. 5 is a subset. Then individuals A, B, C, D. Then 2 together. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD, AB, AC, AD. Then BC, BD, CD. So many 2 together. 4, C2. 4 into 3 by 2. Total 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 members. Then 3 together. Then 3 together. ABC, ACD, BCD, ABD. ABC, ACD, ABD, BCD. All 4. 4, C3. That is 4. Then we got set 4 sets. A, B, C, D. So how many are there? If there are 4 elements, how many subsets we are forming? These are all subsets. D is superset. These are all subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 subsets under D. Okay. Now, here you see, this we already in subset, like that you have write for others also. Now, these are the Venn diagrams. We'll go to the next chapter. These, I have not covered all the examples here, which you can see in the textbook itself, so that your knowledge will increase. So, I am going to exercise 2.5. Now, is given A, B, find A intersection B and B intersection A. A intersection, what are common in this? Intersection means common. Union means all. So what is intersection A? 1, 2, 3. 4 is not there here. 5, 6 are not there. So 1, 2, 3 is an intersection. And what is B intersection A? Also same 1, 2, 3. So both are equal. A intersection B is equal to B intersection C. Similarly, A union B is equal to B union A. Now let us see this one. Find A intersection 5. 5 is null set. So A intersection 5 is 5 itself. A intersection A is A itself. All elements of A. Now A, B are given. A minus B, B minus A. I will find out A minus B. A minus B is 2, 4, 8, 10. That is A minus B. What is B minus A? 3, 9, 12, 15. So that is B minus. They are not equal. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is B itself, the bigger set. A is inside B. So A union B, it will become B itself. So X is a natural number, even number, odd number, and prime number. You have 4 sets. Now you are asking A intersection B. B even number. Natural number contains odd and even numbers. So B is a subset of A. That means A intersection B is B itself. A intersection C is C itself because it is a subset of A. Because A contains all. Let us see. What is A? A is set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, like that go up to infinity. What is C? Set of odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like this. That means this is a part of A. So A intersection C is C itself. C itself. Now, see, X is a prime number. Now let us understand C intersection D. C is an odd natural number. X is a prime number. Now what is prime number? Starts from 2, 3, like that it goes. And this is odd natural number. So it starts from 1, 3, 5. What is common in this? Common is all prime numbers plus 2 also. Plus 2 is not common. 2 is not here. 2 is not in this. 2 is in this. So all odd prime numbers will form C and D. C intersection D is X such that X is odd prime number. I am writing in first order form. Set build-up form. This is called set build-up form. Okay. So all odd prime numbers. 2 is not there because that is an intersection. I have to take a common between these two, C and D. Let us see what answer is given. X is 2.5, and we have question is X is 2.5. C and D. C intersection D. What it is here? C intersection D. 4, 6, 8, 9, 99. Intersection. What is C? C is odd number. D is prime number. So there are intersect is all wrong. This is wrong here. C is odd numbers. D is prime number. Prime means 2, 3, 5, 7. Intersection is common elements. So other than 2, odd intersection. This answer is, I think it is mistaken. Let us understand CD again. What is C is odd natural number. D is prime number. We are not asking union. It is intersection. What is common in these? 4, 6, 8, 9. They are not common. It is not odd number. So it comes from 1, 3 like that. Prime number starts from 2, 3 like that. So here 1 will not be there. Here 2 will not be there in the intersection. So it will start from 3, 5, 7, 3 prime numbers starting from 3. Odd prime number. We'll call it as odd prime number. So 1 automatically gets deleted. Okay, now let us see. We have seen A minus B, we have already done this. True or false, right? True or false. These are disjoint sets. No, 3 is common, so it's false. Here disjoint sets. A is common, so it's false. Here disjoint sets. Yes, true, there is no common element. Disjoint sets, there is no common element. True. So these two are true, these two are false. This is 2.5. Let us go for an example before. Two point three is 2.3. Now you see this one. Second question. Consider the following sets, fill up the blanks equal to or not equal to equal sets. So A 1, 2, 3. How we write if it is in a this is a roster form? How we are going to write in build-up form? We will write that the first three natural numbers X is element such that the first three natural numbers, so they are equal. This is ABCD, ABCD are equal. Ovals, ovals are equal. Now you see here. See this one. A is ABCD. They are again we write whether equal or not. They are equal. Here also they are not equal because 18 is here. Here 18 not there. So 12 is here. 12 is not there. They are not equal. So you see X is a positive even integer less than 10. What is positive even integer less than 10? 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 will not come. But here 10 also has come. So they are not equal. 10 is equal to 10. It is not less than 10. So that is a 40. So X is a multiple of 10. Now we have multiple of 5, 15. These are multiple of 10. So they are not equal. So like that, you can understand the problems. So let us see this one. This is A, this is B. So 2, 4 becomes A intersection B. So this is n of A intersection B is 2. N of A union B is all the numbers, 6 numbers. N of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So N of A union B is 6. So NA is 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. NB is also 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So NA union B is NA plus NB 8 minus A intersection B 2, it becomes 6. Because this is being added 2 times. When I am adding NA plus NB, 2, 4 is getting added 2 times. So I have to minus 1 time. A intersection B I have to reduce. So we'll get 4 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now these two are disjoint sets. Now see here. What is this shaded portion? This shaded portion is nothing but A minus B. Actually A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But B contains 4, 5, so that we remove it. So A minus B is 1, 2, 3, only A. Either A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B. This portion is A intersection B, so it can be written as A minus A intersection B, or simply A minus B. This is B minus A. B minus B intersection A. This is this one. You see here what it is showing? This is showing A dash because the pink portion is A dash, including universe, including B, but does not include A. This is A dash or A complement. A dash or A complement. What is A dash? A dash is U minus A. U includes AB. U includes the universal set plus A plus B. So what is A dash is U minus A. That means this pink portion. This is B dash, U minus B. So B will not be there, but part of A will be there and U also will be there. Here it is only A minus B. This is B dash. These two are different. This is A dash. Both are different. Now you see here. English speaking are 10 plus 8, 18. French speaking are 12 plus 8, 20. So 18 plus 20, total 30 are there. Total 30 are there. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 12, 30 students are there. But 8 students are speaking both English and French. So when we do NA union B, NA is 18 plus NB is 20 minus 1 time we have to reduce it because we have added 2 times this figure. So NA plus NB minus A intersection B is equal to N of A union B. Now you see this one. This is intersection B. This zone is intersection B. This is A intersection B complement. B complement is all the other plus A intersection. This is also A complement intersection B. This is nothing but B, not B minus A. Is also B minus. B minus A. Where you see B minus A. This is B minus A. This is A complement. This is B minus A. We have only B and A is not there. The same can be written as A complement intersection B. A complement is other than A, all these things. Intersection B means only this portion, common of B and A dash. So we have same thing. These are the sets. Today we are going to study about operation of sets. What we are going to study?
Operation of sets.
Operation of sets. Operation of sets.
Sets.
Suppose board కనబడుతుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది అంకుల్.
Let set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elements of set A is 1, 2, 6. This is the master form. Element of set B 3, 4, 9, 10. Okay. What I want
Okay, uncle.
is define X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. B is defined as its element which belongs to A or it belongs to
B.
B. And it can be from either A or from B. Both belongs to. Now let us write set C. Belongs to A means all elements of A are there. 6. In element B, 3, 4 is repeated. So we need not write again. 9, 10. 9, 10. This is set C. See, set C element such that X belongs to A or belongs to B. It is or. You remember this word. Either this or this. Either this or this. So the element should be either belongs to this or belong to this. So these are the elements which belongs to either this or this. So what is NA here? NA 1, 2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
3,
6.
4, 6.
NB
6.
4.
4.
NC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. NC
Eight. 8.
8. What we got? 6. Now right here. NA plus NB is equal to how much? 6 plus
కొంచెం
4.
కెమెరా కిందకి కనిపించట్లే కిందది.
Okay. 6 plus
Okay.
4. NA plus NB is equal to 10.
10.
But NC is equal to 8. So 2 reduce. Why 2 reduce? Because 3, 4 is common. 3, 4 here and 3, 4 here is
Common.
so we have minus the common items. Common number we have reduced. Then it becomes 6. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Now we'll go further. this C, when we say element belongs to either A or B, we term this as A union B. What we call it as?
A union B.
Union means U. Union means U. A
U.
union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Either A or B. This is A union B. So N of A union B is equal to N of A minus N of B plus N of B minus common number. Avuna kada?
Avuna uncle.
Okay. Now we will go for other one. Let us say set D, element X, such that X belongs to A and also belongs to and. Not R here. Here it is
And
X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means X should belong to both. X should belong to both. Is 1 is there in both? No. 2 is there?
No.
No. Only 3 and 4 are there in both. So this set is 3, 4, which belongs to both. And means it should belong to A and also should belong to B. Earlier R means it can belong to this or can belong to this. Now this is 3, 4. So here N, this B is written as A intersection B. Intersection means reverse U, ulta U. So A intersection B is equal to which are common in elements which are common in
both.
Here both is 3, 4. So N of A intersection B is 2. Okay? Okay, now you write N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B.
Avuna uncle.
Because earlier we write common minus common numbers. But now common numbers is defined as A intersection B. So N of A intersection B. If I reduce it, I will get N of A union B. Okay? Okay, now we will see the same problem in Venn diagram. This is A, this is B. What is common? 3, 4.
3, 4.
3, 4 common. Both in A and in B.
Common 3, 4.
Next, A contains 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4 also. And B contains 3, 4, 9, 10. This is okay?
Okay, uncle.
So here NA is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4. Total 6. NB is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. NA union B. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
Total 8. A intersection B. Common is only 2 items. 2. So this is A intersection B. This is A union B in total. Either this or this. So when I add A plus B, this intersection I am adding 2 times unnecessarily. So one time I am reducing to get N A union B. Okay? N A union B is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 2. Because in 8 also 2 is there, in 6 also 2 is there. So 1, 2 because I am adding 2 times quantity. So I am removing 1 time. So I am getting 8 plus 4 minus 2. This is 8. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
We will proceed further. Is this understood?
Adamant, uncle.
Now, ఇప్పుడు మీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఉంది. You let us assume your classroom. మీ classroom. How many students are there in the classroom? 45.
45.
45.
అంకుల్ కొంచెం కెమెరా పైకి ఎత్తరా కనిపించట్లేదు.
Okay.
కనిపిస్తుంది.
This is A. This is B. Girls and boys. 25 girls, 20 boys. This is there is no common here. There is no common. There is no intersection. A intersection B is 0, 5 set, null set. There is no common element in between. So here NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. A intersection B is 0. So it is NA plus NB. For a disjoint set where there is no common element, NA union B is NA plus NB. That is equal to 45. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
There is no common element here.
Common element.
Now, same class. So we have, this is Telugu speaking, this is English speaking. Telugu speaking,
English.
English speaking. Telugu speaking, there are 25. English speaking, there are 30. There are
30.
So now what is total? 55. But my class strength is 45.
45.
That means 10 members are repeated here. 10 members are
Repeated.
That means this is 10. The persons who the boys you know, boys or girls, both Telugu and English is 10. So this becomes 15. This becomes 20. Now you see how many people know Telugu? 15 plus 10, 25. Tell me a figure. How many people know English? 20 plus 10, 30. How many people know both 10, English and Telugu? So now you write here. NA knowing Telugu is 25. NB knowing English is 30. NA intersection B, those who knows both the languages, is 10. So NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Because this I am adding 2 times unnecessarily. So I have to remove 1 time. So 55 minus 10, 45, this is the class strength. Class strength cannot increase. It is same. Only thing is, there is a repetition. 10 members know both. Okay, understood this? So,
Okay, uncle.
here also NA 25. But 15 here and 10 who knows Telugu English also. Here is 30, but 20 here and 10 who knows Telugu also. Understood this? Now,
Okay, uncle.
now in the same diagram, I will ask you, how many people do not speak Telugu? Now I want to set A, element X such that X do not know Telugu. Telugu రాని వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
Telugu, 20 members.
20 members. Okay? Telugu రాని వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది?
20.
20 members. అట్లానే ఇంగ్లీష్ రాని వాళ్ళు
15.
do not know English. 15.
15.
So, when you are in 20, when 45 is total strength, this is universal set. This is universal set. Universal set 45 నుంచి NA నేను తీసేస్తే అంటే తెలుగు రాని వాడు తెలుగు NA is తెలుగు వచ్చిన వాడు NA. When I remove from universal set 45 minus 25, that is equal to 20. So this is the number who do not speak Telugu. This is the number who do not speak English. So ఈ సెట్ మనం ఏమంటాం ఏ డాష్ అంటే ఏమంటాం
A dash. Dash.
ఏ డాష్ ఆర్ ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆర్ 1 మైనస్ ఏ మూడు ఒకటే. ఏ అంటే తెలుగు వచ్చిన వాడు, ఏ డాష్ అంటే తెలుగు రానివాడు, ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్ అన్నా తెలుగు రానివాడు, 1 మైనస్ ఏ అన్నా తెలుగు రానివాడు. అట్లానే బి డాష్ ఈ కదా అది ఈ సెట్ ఈ డాష్ ఈ కాంప్లిమెంట్ 1 మైనస్ ఈ మూడు ఒకటే. అండర్స్టూడ్?
ఓకే అంకుల్.
ఓకే. No, what we have learned? A union B, A intersection B, A dash, B dash. Learn చేసింది ఇప్పుడు
A union B, A intersection B, A dash, B dash.
అంతే కదా? Okay, no, I'm drawing from drawing. You have to tell me. No. What is A union B?
A
union B, how much? Plus 30. 90. Because this I added only one time. Okay. What is N A intersection B?
N intersection B.
What?
70.
N A intersection B, how much? Which is common in both?
Uncle?
N A intersection B, how much?
70.
అది N A union B 90. A intersection B అంటే ఏంటి? Which is common both. Which no A which are part of B. Both. And so this is 20 belongs to A also, belongs to B also.
B.
What is N A intersection B?
A.
Okay, we write again.
A intersection.
What is N A? A how much?
40.
40 plus
20.
together. Because this is also part of N A. This up to this point N A.
60.
40 plus 20 60. What is N B?
50.
50. What is N A intersection B?
90.
Intersection B.
A intersection. Okay, 1 minute, uncle.
Belongs to both. That is 20. This 20 belongs to A, 20 belongs to B also. This is A intersection B. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Now A union B, how much? A union B, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. NA 60 plus NB 50 minus 20, that is equal to 20. Otherwise, 40 plus 20 plus 30. 40 plus 20 plus 30 is equal to 90.
90.
Okay.
Okay, uncle.
NA is up to A. Circle is up to A. NB is up to B. You understood this? So what is universal set? Universal set. N universal set how much? 90 plus 10.
100.
100. Okay? Now, What is A dash? Other than A, how much? The 60 is A. So A dash is 100 minus 60. That is 40. How we got 40? This 30 plus this 10. What is B dash? So what? A dash is 1 minus A. Our universal set is 100 minus A is 60. That is 40. So what is B dash?
B dash 30 plus
B is 30 plus 20, 50 B. B dash 100 minus 50.
100
That is 50. Or 40 plus 10. In both ways it is okay. As it is 100 minus 50, 100 minus 50 means what? 1 minus B. 40 plus 20 means what? B dash. B. This 20 also belongs to B. So B dash from 20. 40 plus 10. 50. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
Now we will proceed further. A 1 to 10. Set A is
1 to 10.
set B 5 to 20. Set B is
5 to 20.
in fact I have write all 1, 2 like that elements 5, 6 like that. Okay. Now we understand A minus B. A
Minus B.
earlier we understood B dash is 1 minus B. But A minus B means contains in A but does not contain in B. It means the element such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to
B.
B. A minus B. Now identify what is A minus B.
1
A but does not contain B.
B.
So
1,
1
2,
to 4.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is there in both. 10 up to there is there. 11 to 20 is there in B, but not in A. It should contain A. So only 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A minus B. What is B minus A? Contains B, but does not contain
A.
That means 5 to 10 A contains. It will not come.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh,
16.
good. Very nice. This is B minus A. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. A minus B, B minus A. A, B. Now, what is A union B here?
30.
A union B contains in A or in B. Both elements belongs to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Both elements. So we will write 1, 2, 20. Okay? 1 to
20.
what is the N? N of A union B is 20. N of A is 10. N of B is how much? 5 to 20 is around 16. Here 16 are.
Uncle.
5 to 20 is 16 numbers. If it is 6 to 20, 15 numbers. Count it. 6, 7. With the hand you count. 5 to 20, how many numbers?
5 to 20.
Including 5. With the hand you count and tell me number.
16.
16. Because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 20 is 15. Plus 5 also 16. So A union B is 1 to 20. Now what is A intersection B? What is common in both?
Oh, 1 to
Up to 10.
mm,
How many number?
5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7.
How many? Number is how much? How many elements?
6.
Very good. It's not 5, it is 6. 10 minus 5 plus fifth element also 6. Now you write
Mm.
n of n union b is equal to, we know the formula, na plus nb minus na intersection b.
Mm.
Understand? So
Ah,
what is
condition
na?
uncle.
Na is 10. What is nb? 16. Minus
Mm.
a intersection b 6. That is equal to 20. So n union b 1 to 20, that is 20. So the common elements which are added here, one of the common element is removed here. Here 2 times it is added. 6 is added 2 times. 6 is part of 10. 6 is part of 16. So I need only 1 time. So I removed 1 time.
Okay, uncle.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, uncle.
Now we will do your exercise number 2.5.
Okay, uncle.
2.5 I am giving. These examples you can see later also in the test book. That's why I am not covering here. But now, exercise 2.5. First example. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. What is A intersection B? You tell by seeing. A intersection B is what? What are the elements containing A intersection B?
A intersection. 2.
A intersection means it contains in A and B both. What is common in both? One, 2, 3 is in A. 1, 2, 3 in B also. So common is 1, 2, 3. Avuna kada?
Uncle, వచ్చింది.
What is A intersection B?
A intersection 1, 2, 3.
Very good. What is B intersection A? B intersection A. Common in B and A. It is also 1, 2, 3.
3.
So A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Also, A union B is equal to B union A. There is no difference. Both are same because we are finding common elements. That's all. Now, A is 0 to 4 and A intersection 5 is how much? A intersection 5.
A intersection 5.
5 is a null element, no item, no element inside. So A intersection 5 is 5 itself. Because 5 does not contain 0 to 4. So intersection is common both is 5 itself. Okay? So here what is A intersection A?
A intersection, uncle. 0 to 4.
Very good. Because say A intersection A is nothing but A itself. A itself. Now A and B is given. What is A minus B? Contains A, does not contain B. So 2, 4, 8, 10. What is A minus B?
2, 4, 8, 10.
What is now B minus A?
B minus A.
3.
3, 9.
Good. 3, 9.
15.
12 also. 3, 9, 12, 15. So is A minus B equal to B minus A? They are equal or not?
You're not equal, uncle.
They are not equal because a minus b is 2, 4, 8, 10. B minus A is equal to 3, 9, 12, 15. They are not equal.
Hmm.
Okay. If A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, A is a,
Subset of B.
then A union B is what? Then A union B is what?
Hmm.
What? If A is a subset of B, A union B is B itself, the bigger set. Avuna kada?
Uncle.
Let's see here. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3. B
Uncle,
is,
कुछ पाइक ले camera.
okay. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is A a subset of B? Yes. Because all elements of A are in B. But all elements are not in A. So A is a subset of
B.
B. But they are not equal sets. A is not equal to B. Because all elements are not equal. It's a subset of B. That means when I write A union B, which contains in both 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6 also. That is nothing but B itself. Bigger set. This is B. This is A. So A is a subset of B. Somewhere when I write A union B, it automatically becomes B. When I write A intersection B, suppose A intersection B, then it will become automatically A. Suppose what is here? A intersection B? Common in both is only 1, 2, 3. That is nothing but A itself. So when A is a subset of B, A union B is bigger one, A intersection B is smaller one. Is it clear?
Yes, uncle.
Concept clear in the subset law.
Uncle.
In a subset, union is bigger set and intersection is smaller set. Okay, now you tell me. A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B. So then A and B, what it becomes? Huh?
Textbook లో 2.4 వరకే ఉన్నాయి 2.5 లేదు ఎక్సర్సైజ్
ఉంది 2.5 ఇచ్చాడు ఇడు
లేదు అంకుల్ నా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కీలో కూడా చూసాను లేదు 2.4 వరకే ఉంది నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్ తర్వాత
అలాగా ఓకే నాలెడ్జ్ కోసం చేసుకుందాము ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పింది ఈ చాప్టర్ నీట్ అంటే తగ్గించాడు పోర్షన్ ఏపీ స్టేట్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఇది సరే ఓకే సో యు టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ఏ యూనియన్ బి One fast. Read the question. Fourth question.
If A and B are two sets such that A intersection B, then what is A
intersection
union
B? Subset. Intersection is vertically down. This is intersection. This is union. This is subset. This is superset. Now you read. A is a subset of B.
Then what is A union B?
So this is B. A is a subset. So A union B is what? A union B is the bigger set. B itself. A union B is B because it contains elements of A and elements of B also. What is A intersection B? It is only A. This only both elements. అర్థమైందా అండర్స్టూడ్ we'll go right. See the fifth question. A is a natural number, B is an even natural number, C is an odd natural number, X is a prime number. Now we have four sets. We have
four sets.
What are the four sets? A is natural number. A is
B is even natural number.
A natural means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. B is even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. C is odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like that. D is prime number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 like that. Now he is asking, what is A intersection B? A intersection B, which is subset here? Natural number even number subset है कादा?
Now, natural number. No, subject card, uncle.
B is subset of A or not?
B is subject. 1 minute, uncle. No, subject card, uncle.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. You see the board. A is set of natural numbers. Infinity. అవునా కాదా? B set of even integers. అవునా కాదా? C set of odd integers. అవునా కాదా? D set of prime numbers. అవునా కాదా? Now A is natural number. B contains only 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So B is a subset of A. B is a
Subject of A.
A. Now C contains 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. C is also subset of A. Then D contains 2, 3, 5, 7. This is a subset of A. This is also subset of A.
A.
Subset of B? No, because B is having one extra. B is having
An extra.
one extra. It's not having here. Whether these two are subsets? No, it's only even, it's only prime. These are not subset of this. So what we got? These are the three subsets. B is subset of A, C is subset of A, D is subset of A. Now you see the question. So what is A intersection B? Which is smaller set out of A and B?
Uncle?
A intersection B.
2.
So B contains all elements. A contains all elements of B. So A intersection B is B itself. Okay. A union B is A itself. A intersection B is B. Now second one. What is A intersection C? A intersection C.
A intersections.
All elements of C are in A. C is a subset of
Yes,
So A intersection C is C itself. Because what are the common items? 2 is not there in the A intersection. 4 is not there. So the same thing will come. So C will come.
A intersection D.
This is A. This is C. This is B. This is D. So A intersection D is D itself. So the one in both is D only. This element is not in D, it is in A. So this is not intersection. Intersection only all elements of D. That means A intersection D is D. Now you tell me C intersection D. What is?
C intersection D.
C is this, D is this.
C intersection D.
Ah.
D is D, uncle.
Is the subset of this C intersection D. What is common here? 2 is not common.
3, 5.
2 is not common. 2 is not common. So we will say prime numbers other than 2. Prime numbers other than
2.
2. C intersection D is all prime numbers are all odd. Prime numbers are all odd. 2 1 is even number. But in C there is no even number. So 2 is not
Ah.
there in section. 2 is removed. So 357 minus 2. That was in D minus 2.
Hmm.
Subject 2 రాకుండా 3, 5, 7 like the prime numbers and రాస్తాం.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Now